Hello, good morning. It's me, your science teacher from National Papson Kanski. Today I am here to discuss about some terms related to the chemistry. In the science, we are discuss the different parts. They are physics or physical chemistry, physics, chemistry, biology, geology and astronomy. And the environment science is also contains in our science, isn't it? Till today we are discuss the different parts related to the physics and some basic term related to the first lessons of your chemistry. In this lesson you are discussed about the periodic table, isn't it? There were the two types of periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table and the modern periodic table. Up to the 1960 AD, Mendeleev started to develop the periodic tables, hasn't it? Okay. And today we are mostly discuss about the chemical reaction. Before we start this lesson, we are discuss the some term related to this lesson. First one you are already discussed in your previous class I hope class 6, 7 and 8 and 9. There was the physical change and chemical change. What is the physical change? Physical change is the temporary change. Physical change means the temporary change. Ice change into water. Water change into ice, which is called the physical change. A physical change is the temporary change in which the chemical properties of the substance are not destroyed and no new substance are formed. The physical change is a temporary change in which the chemical properties of the substance are not destroyed. Chemical properties of the substance are not destroyed. Only physical properties are changed. So types of change is called the physical change, isn't it? Okay, straight. For example, ice into water and water to ice, which is the physical change. Second one is the chemical change. A chemical change is the process in which the new substance with the different properties and the composition. New substance with different properties and the composition are called the chemical change. Chemical change is the change in which the new substance are formed. And to form a new composition from the paper to ash. Paper bata kharani, which is called the chemical change. In the chemical change, both physical properties and the chemical properties of the newborn substance are changed, which are called the chemical change. These are the basic concept of this lesson. Now we are turns to the chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are those reactions. Chemical reactions are those reactions which are exchange, combination and decomposition of different atoms, molecules or compound. Exchange, combination or decomposition of molecules or compound, isn't it? Which is called the chemical reaction. Exchange, be careful, exchange, combination and decomposition of molecule and compound, which is called the chemical reaction. For example, H2O, it gives H2 plus O2. H2O, it gives H2 plus O2. Isn't it? Okay. A chemical reaction is a chemical change which takes place by the addition, decomposition or a displacement of the atoms or molecules. Addition, decomposition or displacement of atoms or molecule, which is called the chemical reaction. There was the different types of chemical reaction. First of all, before we start to the chemical reaction, we have discussed a little bit. There was the two types of reaction. They are Ode equation and chemical equation. First one is Ode equation and second one is chemical equation. When the equation are formed in a ode, in term of ode, which is called the ode equation. For example, zinc plus sulfuric acid. It gives zinc sulfate zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Plus zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Isn't it? Okay. When the equation are represented in the form of odd, when the equation are represented in the form of odd, is called the odd equation. So types of equation are called the odd equation. If these equation are changed into the molecular form, these equation are changed into the molecular form, which is called the formula equation. This equation is called the formula equation. For example, zinc is a molecule of zinc is Zn. Molecule of sulfuric acid is S2 SO4, molecular formula. Don't change anything. Only you can say, write the odd form into the molecular form. Isn't it? Okay. Zinc sulfate, arrow as it is. Zinc sulfate, zinc means Zn, sulfate means SO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen means S2. Look here in the step second, this is the step first, this is the step second. In step first, we are right in the form of a odd, which is called the odd equation. And then these odd equation are changed into the respective molecular form, which is called the chemical equation or a formula equation. Isn't it? Okay. Now we should discuss the different parts of this chemical equation. Like here is the one part and this is the another one part. Isn't it? This arrow, in the back side of this arrow, which are called the reactant. These are called reactant. And this part are called the product. Don't be confused. Those chemical compound which are take part in a chemical reaction. Those chemical compound which are take part in a chemical reaction, which are called the reactant. Those chemical compound which are take parts in a chemical reaction, which is called the reactant, and after the chemical reaction, which are formed, which is called the product. Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. You know about the reactant and product. The reactant are those substances that undergoes chemical reaction, chemical change during the chemical reaction. They are always written in the left hand side of the arrow. The reactant are always written in the left hand side of the arrow, and the product are always written in the right hand side of the arrow. Isn't it? Okay, student. And also we have discussed the types of chemical reaction. The chemical equation may be unbalanced or balanced. Chemical equation may be unbalanced or balanced. That was the two types of a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction may be balanced or unbalanced. Look here. N2 plus H2, it gives NH frame. What is it? It is the formula equation or a chemical equation. We are described the types of chemical reaction now. We are going to describe. There was the types. It means that first one is the balanced chemical equation, unbalanced or scalar chemical equation, unbalanced chemical equation, and second one is a balanced chemical reaction. I hope you are clear about the reactant and product. I hope you are clear. Reactant and product. The left hand side of this arrow is called the reactant, and the right hand side of the arrow are called the product. You are clear? The number of atoms or molecule are contained in a reactant are equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product are called the balanced chemical equation. If the number of atoms or molecule are contained in a reactant are not equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product. Look here, this side is called the reactant and this side are called the product. Number of atoms or molecule in a reactant are not equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product, which is called the unbalanced or imbalanced chemical reaction. So types of chemical reaction is called the chemical, isn't it? The number of reactant or product are not equal, which is called the unbalanced chemical reaction. How there was not equal the reactant and product. Count here. There is the number of nitrogen 2. Here is the number of nitrogen only 1. Here is the number of hydrogen 2. Here is the number of hydrogen 3. So that the number of nitrogen and number of hydrogen are not equal in the reactant and product. Isn't it? Okay, student. After that, in this chemical equation, the number of nitrogen and hydrogen atoms in the reactant is not equal to the number of hydrogen and nitrogen atoms in the product. So the equation is called the unbalanced chemical reaction. Number of nitrogen and hydrogen in the reactant are not equal in the number of hydrogen and nitrogen in the product. So that it is the unbalanced chemical equation. According to the law of conservation, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical reaction. So the total mass of the reactant must be equal in the total mass of the product. According to the conservation of the reaction, the total mass in the reactant should be equal to the total mass of the product. It neither be created nor be destroyed in the chemical reaction, so that we can make the balance, this chemical equation, or it means that now we made our work is made, the number of reactant and number of product are equal. It is our work, isn't it? Number of nitrogen 2, number of nitrogen 1. That is put 2. Number of nitrogen 2, number of nitrogen 2. Number of nitrogen are equal. Now number of hydrogen 3, 2, number of hydrogen 3. 3 into 2, 6. Number of hydrogen 6, number of hydrogen 2, only 2. That is put 3. 3 into 2 means 6. Number of hydrogen 6, number of hydrogen 6. I hope you are understood about the balanced chemical equation and a unbalanced chemical equation, isn't it? Okay, student. When the number of atoms or molecule in a reactant, are equal to the number of atoms or molecule in a product, which is called the balanced chemical equation. Okay, student. Now we have discussed the types of chemical reaction. There are the many types of chemical reaction take place in the nature. There are the different types of chemical reactions are takes place in the nature. They are combination reaction or called the addition reaction. Combination reaction. Decomposition reaction. This is called the combination reaction, isn't it? When the two reactants are combined to form the single product, which is called the combination reaction. Second one is the decomposition reaction. When these reactions are replaced by this way, written in this way, which is called the decomposition reaction, isn't it? Okay, student. Third one, displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, isn't it? When the one atoms of the one compound are changed, reactant is changed into the product, displaced by the another one atoms which is contains in atoms or molecules, which is called the displacement reaction. And last one is acid and base reaction. There was the four types of chemical reaction. First one, combination, decomposition, displacement, and acid and base. Displacement reactions are classified into two types. They are single displacement. Only one atoms or molecule are displaced from the reactant to form a product, which is called the single displacement reaction. when the both atoms or molecules are exchanged from the compound, which is called the double displacement reaction, isn't it? Dear student, about the single displacement and double displacement and the types of displacement we are discussed in our next class. First of all, we are discuss short about the combination and decomposition only in today's class. Please write. First one is combination reaction. When two or more than two reactant are combined to form a single product. Two reactant are combined to get single product. For example, if we have the two product A plus B, it gives the single reactant. Sorry, if we have the two reactant A plus B, it gives the single product AB. H2 plus O2, it gives H2O. It is the what types of chemical reaction? Combination on balance combination reaction. When the number of reactant are not equal to the number of product, so that it is called the on balance chemical reaction, isn't it? If it makes the balance by using here is 2 and here is 2, isn't it? Okay, number of reactant are equal to the number of product, which is called the when the two product are contained in here. Two reactant are contained in here, two product are formed, isn't it? Okay, student, I hope you are clear in the combination reaction. We will discuss remaining parts of these lessons in our next class. Hope you are in home. Please stay home, stay safe. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.